Today I'm going to introduce AnTeck small cube wood effect alarm clock. Let's open the box. You will have a cable for the power. You will have a cube wood effect alarm clock. Also, you will have a user manual. We put the cup next to it, so you will see how small or how big it looks like. Let's have a look at the different sides of the alarm clock. This is the back of the clock. This is for the battery. You need 4 AAA battery. Actually, the batteries are not included in this packaging. Now we put batteries in. Then close the cover. Now turn back to the front of the clock. You will see time and the temperature. And the time and the temperature controlled by sound, so they will go off when the room is quiet. If you make noise, it will turn back on again. That is how to set this up. Turn over clock, press the button down. So when you see --SD, which means you can keep it on all the times. So you won't go off when the room is quiet. Now turn back to the back of the clock and press the button down again until you see ONSD, which means when the room is quiet, it will go off. Then just make a noise, click on table, it will on again. Now it's off. Let's take out of the batteries. We suggest to using USB power source because actually this is a LED display, so it takes quite a lot of battery. So if you keep it on all the times, the batteries cannot last very long. Let's try the USB cable. Plug in the pin port on one end of the cable. At the other side, it's just a USB connector. So you can either connect to a USB port of your laptop or a USB charger. Now let's connect to the computer. So you can see the time and temperature are on. And this is our alarm clock. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks. Bye.